Right, we're here at Palace of Fine Arts, and my word, does it look remarkable. Let's go check it out and see what we can see. It's absolutely amazing here, it's beautiful. So we are going to walk all the way round here for you now, and you can have a look how nice it actually is. It's a really beautiful place. The building is just absolutely amazing. So let's carry on and have a look around and see what we can see for you. I can remember when all the pavements here were falling into the water, so they have repaired all that now, sorted it all out, and it is as nice as it is. The houses are beautiful as well, overlooking this place, so that's really nice to see that as well.
Lemonade, water?
No, Tom.
They look pretty good.
Thank you.
What have you got there?
We got, these are $1.
Yep.
These are $3. These is $2. This is $2 lemonade and cookbooks.
So you've got a bit to sell there then.
What have you got for a buck then?
We have these brownies right here.
I'm gonna take a brownie, one brownie from you then, yeah?
Okay. Thank you. Great.
They look amazing.
These are $2. $2 lemonade. There's cookies.
You guys are on YouTube as well.
Oh really? YouTube?
Yeah.
We'll get you a free cookbook or whatever you want if you.
I'll give you a card.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe to us there.
I will.
And you guys will be on. So what do we get? We get a little brownie, yeah?
Yeah. You can grab any one.
Yeah.
You can grab any of these.
What should we have? One of
You
them?
can grab the nuts. I need one. I have.
Take one of them, yeah.
That looks pretty good. Thanks, man.
Thank you. And do you want a lemonade? Sure. Okay, we'll take
So it's a beautiful place. Daryl's just bought a brownie for a buck, and he's at that now. Let's have a look here. Look at these flowers as we look over the water there. That looks quite remarkable. In fact, I'll just go a little bit closer to them and get them on the video for you there as we, as I say, look over the
It should be similar to what we saw in
Palace of Fine Arts there. There's just people sitting out and chilling on the seats here in this beautiful park, and just admiring this awesome, spectacular view that we've got here today. Look how unusual these look as well. Take a look at them, check them out. And we can see there the fountain in the beautiful lake. And then if we look to the left of there, look how beautiful them houses all look. They are amazing. And we've got more amazing flowers there as well. And look at these. I don't know what these are, but they are very unusual. Let's carry on with the walk. We'll head round here and then we'll go past the Palace of Fine Arts. But look at the view you've got there of the waterfall and the palace there. It just looks absolutely stunning. Can't get anything nicer than that. But like I say, the houses there, they are absolutely spectacular. They're beautiful. And look at that. Again, we've got the big waterfall there, and that looks absolutely spectacular as well. These plants, these are pretty unique, and again, I don't know what they are, but just check them out there. They look amazing. Like I say, we're heading round the water feature here. We've come all the way from up there, so we're virtually a quarter of the way round. Look at these amazing columns here. They look absolutely beautiful as well, pointing up to the blue sky. Going to the Palace of Fine Arts here, where we've got all these absolutely remarkable columns holding everything up. It's an absolute stunning building, and we are going to take a walk around now and have a look what we've got. Beautiful day in San Francisco today. Lovely temperature, not cold and not too hot. So let's carry on round here and have a look as we go. Just check that out. What we will check out in a second is the absolutely great big archway, and that's just unbelievable how high that is, and I'll show you that when we get round there in a second. So here we go, we're right at the Palace of Fine Arts now, and we're having a look, and I'm going to have a look now inside here and just see how big it actually is here. As you can see, Daryl's gone in there, and I'm going to go in myself now and just, like I say, have a look how tall and how beautiful the ceiling is up there. How the heck do they get up there? You'd want a fair size scaffolding to do anything with that. Check that out. That is just absolutely immense, and it's beautiful. Look at all the pattern work and everything up there. Makes you wonder how they built it all them years ago. So we're standing right in the middle. I've just had a quick look on Wikipedia, and the Palace of Fine Arts was built in 1915. So it's a very, very old structure. It's over 100 years old, so it really has stood up well to the elements of San Francisco. Everywhere you look, it's really, really well kept and very clean and very tidy. Well worth coming and having a look around here. Well, look at it here now. We've got the water, the lake there, which looks spectacular. And we've also got all these big columns and plants, so that gives you an absolutely lovely picture there. It's fantastic. Now looking straight across the lake, and directly in the centre of the picture is our car. Like I say, let's just check these columns out as we walk past them there. Gardens are quite well kept as well and looked after, so they must work hard to do all that. I was touching one of the columns there.
The weight of all, isn't it?
Must be tremendous. Got all these massive columns absolutely everywhere here. There's some more there, some more this side that all makes up this remarkable area. And everywhere you look, people are having the pictures taken.
Mine.
So we're back virtually now at the front. So we've done a walk really all the way around it. I hope you've enjoyed that walk. And we're coming back now, as I say, to the front where the pool is again. So just check that out. It's fantastic. Like I say, they've redone all these walls a few years ago because it was completely falling down. I haven't seen as many ducks on it or anything this time.
No.
We'll have a look through there now as you look like an island they've got in the middle. It looks amazing. So we'll carry on walking around this area. There's like white in the water here, I don't know what that is, like scum. And we'll head back to our car and go to the next beautiful site here in San Francisco. We haven't decided really what that is yet, but we will have a look as we get there in a minute, won't we?
We will.
So this park has just been absolutely beautiful.